Hey, welcome to Hive, where you can stay up to date with the latest updates about marketing, sales, and business. Customer service is the golden key to any successful business. If you don't have it, act fast and make it a priority. Customer service has evolved over the past years. Instead of just one-on-one private interaction in person or via phone call, it has now evolved around social media as well. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram allow for consumers to connect with their favorite brands almost instantly, making customer service much more crucial than ever before. Want to improve your customer service and increase sales performance? This video will help give you valuable insights on what to do in order to increase your customer service and increase your sales performance. We have some interesting content. Don't forget to subscribe to the Hive for more riveting videos. Just one click on the bell icon and stay with us. Now, let's begin with the 5 customer service improvements to increase sales. Number 1. Seek customer feedback. To provide excellent customer service, you first need to understand your customers' needs, experiences, and pain points. For these, you need to ensure that you provide your customers with multiple ways to share their feedback. You can do this by going through telephone surveys or a feedback form sent through email. Other than usual surveys, you can also establish a complaint system, which will better enable customers to raise their issues. This will let you know all about their good, bad, and ugly experiences when interacting with your brand. Through this, you can gain real insights into what you're doing well and which areas require improvement. Connecting with customers to gather feedback also has another important benefit. It makes them feel like you value them and are willing to resolve their issues. This can help to establish trust and may even prevent them from sharing their concerns or negative comments on social media. Number 2. Multi-channel servicing. Some 69% of adults in the United States prefer to buy from brands that offer consistent customer service across multiple channels, which is why brands need to provide omni-channel communication options. You should enable customers to switch between multiple channels yet enjoy a consistent quality of service. This can help boost your brand's reputation and credibility. Here are some of the best practices that will help you provide excellent multi-channel service to your customers. Mobile devices. People expect good support services when they're on the go. You need to ensure that your customer service and support pages are mobile ready to meet their expectations. Social media. Many customers are turning to social networks, especially Twitter, for customer queries and complaints. You should utilize the power of social media to bridge the gap between you and your consumers. Improve your response times on social media queries and provide effective solutions to your customers. Self-service. Many customers expect brands to help them fix minor issues by themselves, and they'll often look for such solutions on your website's FAQ pages. Your FAQ pages should provide easy-to-understand fixes to all common problems. Number 3. Take the time to train your frontline staff. The heart of your customer service operation should rest with your frontline staff. These employees are the face of your business, and if trained well, it gives your business the opportunity to define how your customers perceive your company's products and services. You need to make sure these employees are skilled at conflict resolution, are empowered to exceed your customers' expectations, and have the kind of winning personalities that your business's patrons are unlikely to forget. Number 4. Provide educational and appropriate knowledge. Customer service should not only be about being responsive, but you should also be offering customers with knowledge related to your brand. For instance, if you are a dental office, you can use your Twitter account to easily connect with your patients, while using your Facebook account to post dental tips or educational blog posts. Sharing knowledge can help to provide value to customers and give them a place to go if they need advice. Number 5. Cross-sell at every turn. A great way to increase sales without the added cost of a separate marketing campaign is to make sure your sales reps are cross-selling at every turn. Cross-selling is the act of offering new products and services along with those in which the customers may have expressed an initial interest. So for instance, if customers purchase a camera and the salesperson offers him or her a camera bag to go along with this purchase, the salesperson is acting in a cross-sell activity. The more you add on, the more sales you receive. It's crucial to have trained your sales and customer service agents in this type of skill, because it is an effective way to increase sales. A customer who contacts customer support about their first order is just as important as a customer who contacts customer support about their 10th order. Treat each customer with respect and take appropriate action. A happy customer is likely to tell at least 3 friends about a positive experience, and a great customer service leads to increased sales. So, keep up and maintain excellent customer service and support. These were the 5 customer service improvements to increase sales. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Live Hive squad and be a part of the channel. Thanks for watching the video.